Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here to show you the kids' little caddy boxes that I bought. I don't know what you'd call them. And starting on Tuesday, I will have my grandchildren for 1 week because Diamond and Sam are going to Hawaii. So I came across these little boxes, art bins, there we go, art bins. And I decided to make them a little vacation crafty box. There we go. Crafty items. So I thought I'd show what I put in them for each one of the grandkids. Some of the stuff I bought, some of the stuff was sent to me for kids. Like Allie's rock from Beema's in here. Because we're going to work on that. And then we're going to register it. When we take a walk, we're going to leave it, she says. So yeah, I put that in there. And then Sabrina got these in a Michael's box. And she sent them up for Allie because she knew Allie liked to play with clay. And we have a dragon that Bema sent. And then some stickers that from Allie's sticker that she bought from her sale with Serena. I stuck a few in there. And then, of course, I stuck this paint that I bought the other day. And then the markers. And then, oh yeah, this is from Sabrina stuck these in there too. So wooden kits. This one is the unicorn. And then yesterday, also I split up some paintbrushes, put them in there. And then Bima sent this little friendship bracelet kit up for Allie. And then a couple weeks ago, we came across these, the little jewelry kit. And then there's some more stickers. And then I came across this yesterday on clearance at Walmart. I think they were 50 cents. You get one child's apron, one plastic tablecloth, one set each of adults and children's gloves. I thought they were handy just to have with their crafting. Even if they're Easter, so I threw that in there. Then, let me put some of this back. Each kid's bins are different, so I'll show you. But I want to show, similar but different. But I want to show you something I picked up at a different Dollar Tree. I swung into a different Dollar Tree yesterday to pick something up real quick. As I'm swinging down the aisle, there we go. I came across this. It says Magic Water Painting. And this is cool. And I'm not going to take it out of the package, but the pen you fill up with water. And then on the sheet, oh, I will take it out of the package. It's easier to show you. I'll just put it back in after. This is so cool, guys. So you fill the pen up with water. And then you see the little, and then you paint the pen over those spots, and it fills them in. And it says, do you know the names of the animals in this book? Draw with the water, draw the wonder. So it draws little animals. I know this is kind of a little bit young for Allie, but I got her this one. This one's like animals and bugs. So I got her that. I got each one of the kids that. I thought that was pretty cool, actually. Okay, back in the package. There we go. Alright. That was Allie's little vacation bucket for Nana's. And the next one is Riley's. And in Riley's, of course, there's the necklace, the little egg from Easter to paint. She got her little stickers and the apron. She got some more little stickers I put in there. She got the princess pen markers and her paint. And this is Riley's magic water painting. Hers is like sea life because of the mermaid. And then I put a dinosaur in there. And then I think this is a dinosaur or a sea creature. And she has the dragon. She's got her little brushes. These are her markers from before. I don't know where this brush came from. Oh, I bet you the egg. But got her little markers. That's Riley's. Yeah, came out of the package. That's Riley's little kit. So that's Riley's. Oh, they're spoiled. So that's Riley's little crafty kit from Nana. And who knows, I may stick some more stuff in there. And we have Coda Bear. Riley ruined Coda Bear. He's got a little chickadee. And I got him a little jewelry kit too. I didn't want him to have him feel left out. It's blue. He likes blue. And he's got a wooden star, a wooden airplane, a set of markers. His is Jurassic Park. Some Batman stickers. And I just threw this one in there because I didn't have a lot of boyish stickers, I realized. And his paints, of course. And then his magic water paint is cars. Kind of hard to see. And I stuffed these stickers in there for him. And then he's got this dinosaur. And then that dinosaur. These were from Sabrina. She sent these up, so these are pretty cool. And this dinosaur. And then, of course, the little apron kit. Dad, and then, of course, his little kit. And his 2 paintbrushes. And his little caddy, or crafty bucket. I don't know what to call him. Crafty bucket, I guess. So, that's their crafty buckets when they come. Because they're going to, once a day, we're going to do some sort of crafty thing together. I'm not going to. And I was looking at the weather. I thought, oh, we'll go outside. Da, 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 da. It looks like I'm going to have 3 days of rain of the 5 days or the 7 days they're here. So, yeah. Not going to. I was like, oh, Monday. They come Tuesday, Wednesday, and I think Thursday was rain. So, I don't think we'll be outside too much. But I just wanted to share what I did for each one of the kids for their Nana and Papa vacation, as they're calling it. And thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be fun and crafty. And bye for now.